Alright, we are at Wildfire Boulder. We've never been here. We're gonna go do a casino walking tour and try our luck. It's a station casino.
Oh!
Wildfire Casino. They have a restaurant here too. Henderson. Take a walk. This parking lot is empty.
It is.
Okay.
Are we in the back?
I don't know. I figured this would be the front. The back would be the back. The back. The back.
Alright.
Okay. Well, I see why. Let's take a walk this way. It's quiet here. Wheel of Fortune. Cool. Hey, hi, how are you? I wonder how the food is here. Where's the restaurant? Oh, Wild Grill over there. See the bar right here. Mystical Mermaid. Well, a lot of Game Kings, Old Buffalo. I was expecting to win the Old Buffalo game earlier.
You could see if you win here.
Actually, I don't know if I want to.
Play here.
Yeah. We could try. Why not?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you never know.
Yeah, you never know.
It was all luck.
Oh, they got bubble crabs here, love. They got bubble
Oh,
crabs.
look.
Oh,
We could
snap.
totally do our bubble crabs challenge here then.
Yeah, we can continue it. That's cool. They got bubble crabs. Well, that's the casino, everybody.
That is it.
We're gonna go try our luck now. If you want to join.
Join us. Come on. Let's go see if it's luckier to play at a local casino.
Yeah, local, small like this.
Yes.
Okay, we'll be back. Actually, go to the other video to watch it.